Hello guys, I am Charu. Welcome to Dream Developers. Today we are going to see if expression in Kotlin. So let's begin. In Kotlin, if is an expression which returns a value. It is used for controlling the flow of program structure. Now there are various types of if expression in Kotlin. If-else expression, if-else ladder, and nested if. Now let's see the syntax of if expression in Kotlin. First, we have to write if keyword, and then in the bracket we have to specify the condition. In this bracket we have to write a code which will execute if the condition is true, or if the condition is false, then it will return in else part. Now let's understand how if works. When program executes, first it will check the condition. If the condition is true, then it will execute the if part, or if the condition is false, then it will execute the else part. So let's move to our IntelliJ IDE and see the example of if statement. Now let's take an example of if number is positive or negative. So let's specify num int equal to 10. Now we will store the result in result keyword, which is the type of string, equal to if number is greater than 0, then we will store number is positive. Else we will store number is negative. So let's print the result. Let's run our code and see the output. Yeah, here we can see the positive is printed. If we change the number to negative, then it will print the negative. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.